Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can solve the processing abandoned. This video cannot be processed problem of videos you try to upload on YouTube. So first of all, as you can see in my Google Chrome, you can see it's written processing abandoned. The video could not be processed. So the main reason behind this is only one, that it is not in the format which YouTube requires. I will further tell you. So if I go to my YouTube studio, there you can also see the same error is coming. Upload failed, cannot process file. So guys, let me show you how you can solve this problem. So this was basically the video which I recorded as a screen recorder on my laptop. So I will go to my laptop and then tell you how you can solve this problem. So guys, as you can see, this is my laptop screen recorder. So I will open that. So here its name is FreeCam8. And now I will do a recording of my laptop screen. So guys, these steps I will do so that you can understand very well what's the reason behind this. So you can see now this interface appear when I click on FreeCam8. So I will do it full screen, and now I will start the recording, and you will see the recording will be started now. As you can see, the recording has been started. So guys, I will record this for 30 to 50 seconds so that I can tell you what's the reason behind not video uploading on YouTube. Recording has been processed, and this is my screen recording, and I can play also. You can see this is the recording of my screen. So now I will save as video, and I will save this video on desktop, and you can see its name is screen recording like this. So I will save this on my desktop. Now it has been exporting onto my desktop. So guys, this video has been now exported to my desktop, as you can see here. So now I will tell you where it is. So you can see it's on my desktop. Now if I will go to its properties, you will see that it is in .wmb format. Okay, this file format is required for YouTube so that the video can be uploaded. So now when I will try to close my screen recorder, so you can see it asks me, a pop-up appears which is saying me that do you want to save the recording. I will say yes. So now guys, this video will be also recording will also be saved on my desktop. So I click on it. I typed 11.
So guys, this will basically help us distinguish between two of the recordings.
So now you can see the video which I exported first, it is here, and the video recording which I saved, it is here. So guys, if you try to upload this format will not be uploaded because it is in .screen rec format. Okay, YouTube does not allow us to upload
this type of file extension.
So you have to upload the format which is this one, .wmb format. Okay, so now I will do it practically so you can understand it better. So as you guys can see, this is my
Firefox browser in which I have opened my YouTube studio.
So now I will upload a video. As you can see, I have clicked on create, and now I will upload a video which will be in .screen rec format. So now I will upload the video. So now I will select the video from my files. As you can see, it is on the desktop, which is in 1.1 at the last recording, and this is the recording, and it is in .screen rec format. So now it's going to be uploaded, but will not. So I will just give it the title so that the time can be saved. So guys, I will not do any further things on it like adding the description or adding thumbnail, because I know it will not upload, because it is, as I told you, is in .screen rec format. So now the title is how to solve Windows 10 Explorer not working problem. Then I will click on next, and then again next, and then publish. As you guys can see, it's written upload complete, processing will begin shortly. So I'm now closing it. Now I will go to content, and here you can see that video is until now pending. So now I will upload the next video, which is in .wmv format. Now I will go to again create, and then click on upload videos, and then select file. Now I will again go to desktop, and here that video is screen recording, and this is in .wmv format. Now I will give it a title, the same title which I given for the last video, which was in .screen rec format. Now I will upload a thumbnail. After that I will click on next, and then again on next, and then publish. Now you guys can see that this video is on processing video, and it has been published. So guys, now you will see what happened to the previous video which I was trying to upload, and it was on pending. As you can see, the previous video is abandoned because it was not in the correct format which works for the upload videos on YouTube. So guys, now you have understood the main reason behind the process abandoned which comes when we upload videos on YouTube. So guys, hope so you liked my video. Comment and click on the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell on all to get the notification about my latest information and knowledge videos.